Hello everyone, welcome back to Cooking with Efya. I hope you all are doing well today. So today I'm going to show you how I make this delicious homemade fried chicken without using any flour or butter. The secret to this recipe is seasoning the chicken well, steaming it until tender, and then frying it until it develops that beautiful golden color we all love. The result is juicy, flavorful chicken on the inside and perfectly fried on the outside. So without wasting any time, let's get started. To begin, I have already cleaned my chicken thoroughly. I washed it several times to make sure it's nice and clean and ready for cooking. Once the chicken was properly cleaned and drained, I transferred it into my cooking pot, and now we are ready to build layers of flavor. The first thing I'm adding is my garlic, ginger, and onion paste. This mixture is packed with flavor and serves as the base seasoning for the chicken. Garlic has rich savory taste. Ginger brings warmth and freshness, while onion adds sweetness and depth. Together, they are going to create an incredible flavor, combining that works perfectly with chicken. Next, I added my bay leaves and also some Aromate Seasoning. For the aroma seasoning, I'm using all-purpose seasoning and also chicken seasoning. Kindly feel free to use any aroma seasoning of your choice and you are good to go. Finally, I'm going to add salt to taste. Also add enough water to steam the chicken. And now it's time to stir everything together. I'm making sure every piece of chicken is fully coated with garlic, ginger, onion paste and all the seasoning. Take your time with this step because proper mixing means better flavor distribution. Just look at how beautiful everything is looking already. The chicken is fully coated and you can already tell this recipe is going to be delicious. Now I'm going to cover the pot and allow the chicken to steam. After steaming for a while, I'm opening the pot to check on the chicken, and wow, just look at that. The chicken has released its natural juice and also creating a rich and flavorful stock. The aroma coming from the pot right now is incredible. You can smell garlic, ginger, onion, bay leaves, and seasoning coming together perfectly. I'm going to give everything a gentle stir. This helps the chicken cook evenly and ensures every piece continues absorbing all those delicious flavors. Now at this point, I'm covering the pot again and allowing the chicken to continue steaming. We are back again, and now the chicken is perfectly steamed. The meat is tender, juicy, and packed with flavor. I'll carefully remove the bay leaves because they have already released all their wonderful flavor into the chicken. Next, I'll transfer the chicken from the stock. Please don't throw the stock away. This stock is liquid good, trust me. You can use it to make soup, stews, rice dishes, sauce, or save it for another recipe. Now it's time for the frying stage. I'll heat up some oil on medium heat. Since the chicken is already cooked, we are not frying it to cook through. We are frying it to create that beautiful golden exterior while keeping the inside juicy and tender. Once the oil is hot enough, I'm carefully adding the chicken pieces and just listen to that beautiful sizzling sound. That sound tells us the oil is at the perfect temperature. As the chicken fries, it begins developing a gorgeous golden color. The outside becomes slightly crispy, while the inside remains soft and juicy. I'm allowing the chicken to fry for a few minutes before turning it. This step creates an even golden color. Alright, so whilst we are enjoying the frying process, I want to also use this opportunity to thank all my returning subscribers and new foodie members right here. You guys are amazing. Thank you so much for always liking my videos, sharing, and also commenting on my videos, fam. I am very grateful. Thank you so much. Trust me, subscribing is free. So if you haven't done that yet, kindly subscribe to my channel and be part of this beautiful family. Thank you so much. I am also on all social media platforms at Cooking with Efya. I share amazing recipes across all social media pages, so do follow me there and let's vibe over there beautifully. All right, so now the aroma filling my kitchen right now is unbelievable. Just look at that beautiful color, golden brown and looking absolutely gorgeous. That is exactly what we are looking for. The aroma filling my kitchen is just amazing, trust me. And now just look at the final results. Beautiful homemade fried chicken, golden on the outside, juicy on the inside, and packed with flavor from the very first bite to the last. No flour, no butter, just simple ingredients and amazing flavor. This chicken pairs perfectly with fried rice, jollof yam chips, fried plantain noodles, salad, or even enjoy on its own. Thank you so much for watching and spending time with me today. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to Cooking with Efya for more delicious homemade recipes. And thank you so much for watching. Stay blessed, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.